Hello and welcome to the Excel Tutorials with Dave channel. Each video here has the three objectives in mind of training anyone that has the desire to learn more about Microsoft Excel. They're intended to provide a tutorial that is clear enough to learn the subject, but also provide a tutorial that is short enough to be effective reference material for people who are already somewhat familiar with whatever the subject matter happens to be. I accomplish these objectives by producing videos here on YouTube, as well as writing on my blog, exceltutorialswithdave.com. So that blog is exceltutorialswithdave.com. What motivates me is your feedback. Feedback in a positive nature, always welcome. Absolutely, please go ahead and just start now. Don't even worry about the rest of the video. But also negative feedback. Telling me what is not working for you is absolutely a good thing. It's going to help me alter my style, it's going to help me answer your questions, and it's going to help me to help you. Obviously, views, likes, and subscribers motivate me because that lets me know that somebody is out there watching, somebody is out there looking at it, and I'm not doing this for nothing. So that absolutely motivates me, so please, as you desire, go ahead and like the videos to let me know that this is more of what you want, or subscribe to let me know that there's somebody out there that really wants to learn Excel, and the views really help me to dictate what kind of video I should make next if I don't have any feedback to motivate that already. And how can I help you? How can I help you? Ask me questions. Tell me when you still don't understand something so that I can continue expanding on it until we reach some sort of level of understanding. And then personalize things if you have a specific issue. If you're watching a generic video to apply to your specific problem, it may not quite answer the mail. I want to help you, and I want to answer that question. I want to help. So go ahead and personalize it. Tell me your specific issue, and maybe we can talk about it, whether it's over a message or whether it's another Excel tutorial video. I want at least the end game to be your problem getting resolved. So please subscribe to my channel. If you like any of the videos, please go ahead and actually like the video on YouTube. And if you have any feedback, good, bad, indifferent, please go ahead and leave that. I enjoy reading everything that you guys say, and I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and keep running with Excel. Thank you.